Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. As always, before we begin, please make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. You might also want to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any new videos that I post. So this video is going to be all about the brows. Just a quick little brow tutorial that I filmed before I did that spring makeup tutorial. So we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna be using my Brow Contour Pro pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. And before that, I just brushed through my brows and made sure that the hairs were going in all one direction. And then I'm going to lightly fill in the bottom and the top of my brow. Just line the bottom and the top of both brows. Once I'm done with the lining, I then begin to lightly fill in the brows. This is more of a natural brow look that one of my Facebook friends requested a video on. So you'll just see me lightly fill in the brows here. As I'm filling in, I'm also using my spoolie to brush through the brows so that all of that product is evenly dispersed throughout the brows and that it's not showing up too dark. So you'll see me as I fill it in, I'm also brushing it out at the same time. Now, if you notice, while I was filling in my brows, I didn't touch the front of my brows at all because I like that to look more natural. So we're going to have to use a different, stroke motion towards the front of the brows than you would at the back. So towards your front of your brows, I just like to flick up very lightly to give that light feathered look in the front. It's more natural to me than just like that box heavy look, I would say. And I'm just flicking the pencil upwards and then using my spoolie and brushing that through. Now on my Contour Pro pencil, I also have an option to define the brow, but this is just the concealer step that you would use. You just use your favorite concealer and go underneath the brow with your brush and just clean up that brow and give it some definition. Going to go in and do the same thing to the top of the brows and just conceal with actually a little darker color, more of your skin tone at the top because you don't want it to be super light with a super light concealer. But whatever concealer you use on the top and the bottom, just please make sure you blend it out. And you'll see me do that after I'm done outlining and defining here. So you'll just see me blending everything out, cleaning everything up. And like I said earlier, this was just a very quick brow tutorial before one of my other looks that I recorded. So that is it. No cute video at the end or anything. Just showing you guys how I feel in my brows. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you again next week.